Oliver in here?
No.
Wait, Juan Oliver. You find work yet? Oliver!
What you calling me name for like a fella? Do I know you?
What you mean if you know me?
Why you hollering out me name?
See you at the end of the month. Next.
Nurse, may I beg you please tell me.
Please have a seat, sir. Name? Your address?
Nurse, me case and send me into the doctor now. Nurse, this a pain hotter than 9 day love.
Sir, you just have to wait your turn.
Wait me turn and dead? Oh, what a heartless woman doing. Is that them teacher training school? To be uncompassionate to somebody who is suffering and in pain and need relief?
Just relax. It's not as bad as you're making it out to be.
Oh, you know. Oh. That is not as bad as me making it out to be. You inside of me. Why? The pain. Nurse, if the pain get to my brains, me can mad. No. Me am mad. Oh, me am mad. Why? Me mad now. Doctor, nurse, give me something to ease the pain now.
Sir, be quiet. You're not the only patient here feeling pain.
But I'm not
patient.
Me not patient. All I do is come here to get a little medicine to ease my pain.
Just bear your pain quietly.
What? She fooling. Somebody can bear pain quietly. Now anybody would know say me not pain. Why?
You're disturbing the other patients, sir.
Oh, no, excuse me, but I don't know what I do this pain make it a take revenge for me, so. Nurse, help!
Your turn. Your name, sir?
Olivius Isaiah Abrams Adams. But it's right, Olivius Adams for short.
Address?
History repeat itself.
What is that?
Nothing. That's up me remember.
If you're going to be rude, you might as well seek medical attention elsewhere.
I lie ya tell. After me no come in here to beg. Me no papa.
Your address, sir?
You see, that's why me say history repeat itself, you know. Tell me something. You have a brother that work out at the airport as immigration officer?
No. Why?
Why? Because I see him, so this immigration boy did a question me this morning. And the two of them have a striking resemblance. One have a cavemanish feature.
See, I've forgotten all about your illness and now coming to be rude.
But the fact is... Nurse, the pain, man.
Still waiting on your address, sir.
25 Casada Lane, Kingston.
Who's responsible for your bill?
Bill, nurse? You asking me about billing my state of agony?
You care to be attended to by the doctor or not?
Me?
Me what, sir?
Me who is responsible for my bill.
Do you have an health insurance?
You know, every second you spend interrogating me about medical insurance is a second spent sending me closer to my grave. And you know you'd be sorry? Because me duppy would have haunt you chucks until you reach to for your grave.
Age?
Please?
Your age, sir.
Last nurse, this put down something the way you think we match me face.
But that's impossible, sir.
What?
Your face is certainly not a true reflection of your age.
In my hour of agony, you see how this woman here come take liberty with me. I come tell me about me nice looks. I wonder if she never have a looking glass at your yard. Because me sure if she looking there, you know, it would have must broke up.
You're definitely not feeling pain. Just move on, let me deal with someone else.
Why? Nurse, this put on 20 pound the card.
Excuse me?
All right, add 5 more to it.
Sir, please.
All right, mount it up to 36.
46 would be more realistic.
You know that cotton tree where them used to have out a ferry there? Eh? The whole cotton tree were broke down. How it dead and you still standing is a miracle to me, because I show you wholer than that cotton tree.
To deal with ignorance, one must exercise patience.
Is that me trying to do, you know, nurse? But it hard.
Lord help me. Please take off those North Pole clothes and keep on a pants and shirt only.
Them is not North Pole clothes, it's England them come from.
Near enough.
Shy idiot. Them is genuine high-class English material. Hunger royalty wear garments like these. About North Pole clothes. And you know, that fat buffalo woman and that immigration boy make me there suffer now, you know. But me I go back out there to them. Me I go back out there to them, you know. And then it will be total agony. All my luggage. My luggage gone a foreign. I don't know if or when I'm going to see them. Locks, all the jackfruit must have well and pile up there now. Oh, not to mention this cabbage fish. Locks. It's a good thing, say me take off them the warm clothes there. Because me that must bound to melt away.
Mr. Adams, come this way, please.
Time enough.
Oh, nurse, one Mr. Olivier Adams come here to be attended to, ma'am?
Yes, he's with the doctor. Is he a friend of yours?
Ah, yes. So, nurse, what in clothes doing out here?
Woman to woman. Is he operating on all 5 digits?
You mean if him mad?
To cut a long story short, yes.
Because of the clothes that him wear. But him more than rude to come and ask me that question, you know, nurse. Me look as if me would have a madman for my friend. As a matter of fact, you look madder than Oliver. Oh.
Anybody in them right mind could wear those hot clothes in this scorching climate?
No, look. It's America I must go into, but in the sides I'm going to dress from into Jamaica. Although I'm going to tell him same don't have to dress up into that until him land. But hear him now, about him is Boy Scout and him well prepared. Nurse, you should have seen the shoes that he was going to wear. Him wake up yesterday morning early and tell me say him a go shop for one special shoes to travel into. When him come back with one parcel, I may open it. Now one water boots in there.
Water boots?
That's very nice. It's not even one of the short ones. It's one of the long ones where catch your clap up to your calf.
And yet still tell me that him not off him rockers?
Listen now, it was an experience for getting for change him mind. My hard was to tell him say that if him wear the boots, him going to sweat plenty. Then when him reach on the cold bite him, the sweat going freeze. Only then him decide to wear the shoes.
Was it his first trip?
Oh, no.
You really mean to tell me that he has traveled before?
Oh, well, no. This was going to be his first trip. Him never traveled yet.
All right, doctor. Anything you say? But you mean to tell me, say you couldn't make something to ease the pain?
Oliver.
Mary, what you doing here, eh?
Oliver, I come to find out how you feel.
Well, just looking at you make me feel worse.
Watch out, nobody listen to you here. I saw him gone, him back worse than him guys. So Oliver, tell me, what the doctor say wrong with you?
I don't even think say him know.
What you mean?
Well, when me go inside here, he tell me if take off my clothes and show him which part the pain. Then when me feel the pain.
So you do that, right?
Yes. Then now, him start to squeeze and squeeze. See ya? I nearly dead with balling in there, you know. The pain lash me, you see, man. Then the man come tell me about say, him need a second opinion. Him don't know one thing.
No, Oliver, you mustn't say that.
Now, Mrs. when me not pain, me say anything, yeah, man. You think me responsible for me, I say? Nurse, beg you 2 tablets to heal the pain, man.
Let me go and check with the doctor, okay?
Yes, man. You go and go check. But remember me warning, I hope if you make me sure to expire and then you went sorry.
Mr. Oliver, come this way, please.
Can that squeeze up again?
No. The doctor says you are to get an injection to rid you of the pain.
Injection? No, nurse, no bother. Maybe wait till the second opinion come.
Mr. Oliver, stop acting like a child. Please come this way.
Me say me no want no injection.
Oliver, shame on you.
Shame on me. Nurse, I come in, nurse. I come in. I don't think I can last out for the second opinion.
Whenever say a big tough man like Oliver afraid of one little injection. Mr. Little pain about the man him a come go like say his dear old baby. Then Mrs. Suppose he never have to feel the pain that we woman feel. He never hear about baby pain. All the same, you mustn't talk, cause me don't have neither chick nor child.
Yes! What?
Nurse, where is Oliver?
He's lying down. In a few minutes he'll be off to sleep. I've never seen anyone so afraid of an injection.